Hi guys, this is Priyasha from Crackzat and this video is slightly controversial. हाँ, इस वीडियो में मैं बात करने वाली हूँ GIM के अचीवर्स राउंड की. The interview experience which many people really didn't like is what I'm going to talk about. If you were also someone who gave this interview, or you know someone who gave this interview and was complaining about it, then this might be the right video for you, or you might share it with that person, because I really want to voice out, at least reach those people who are really concerned. You know what, guys? 70 plus people have really reached out to me talking about their experiences of GIM Achievers Round. Achievers Round था, डायरेक्टली कॉल आया था, तो एक्सपेक्टेशन भी थी कि एसओपी से, उनके वर्क एक्सपीरियंस से या उनके प्रोफाइल से कुछ पूछा जाएगा जिस वजह से आपने इस राउंड का नाम अलग रखा है. बट हेल नो, what really happened was completely different. Some random questions, math ke questions, asking them to draw something on the page and do things. I do understand till some extent it can show your creativity, but in reality, guys, what do you think about it? कि आपको क्या कुछ स्टैंडर्ड क्वेश्चंस फॉलो नहीं करने चाहिए? Like nothing about profile, nothing about what they want to do, what are their MBA goals, nothing as such. Even मतलब टेल मी अबाउट योरसेल्फ जैसा जेन्युइन और बेसिक क्वेश्चन भी बहुत लोगों से नहीं पूछा गया है. आई एम नॉट श्योर व्हाट योर एक्सपीरियंस वाज, एंड दैट इज द रीजन व्हाई आई मेड दिस वीडियो, जस्ट टू वॉइस आउट दोज पीपल जिन्होंने अभी तक मुझसे या किसी और से इस बारे में कनेक्ट नहीं किया है. बहुत सारे लोग तो इतना एम्बैरेस और इतने ज़्यादा डीमोटिवेट हो गए आफ्टर द GIM's अचीवर राउंड इंटरव्यू, दैट उन्होंने किसी से इस बारे में बात करना भी सही नहीं समझा, बिकॉज उन्हें लगा दैट दिस ओनली हैपेंड विद देम. But if you are one of them, or if you know someone who just disclosed it with you, then please share this video to those people, just in order to understand कि क्या ये सचमुच correct way है to have interviews. I totally agree that in colleges के पास ये right है कि वो choose कर सकते हैं based on whatever discretion they follow. They don't have any recorded sessions of those interviews where anyone can judge whether the candidate was really deserving or not. It's completely to their sole discretion कि वो decide करेंगे whether you are eligible or not. But at the end of the day, demotivating someone to the extent कि वो बंदा दूसरे interviews में बैठने से डर रहा है is something which is really concerning me, and that's why I'm making this video. I really want to know what's your take on it. अगर आपने ये interview दिया है तो आपके साथ क्या-क्या experiences हुए, क्योंकि मैंने जो भी सुना है were all negative. Seriously, the few handful of people who got spot on convert, saying that yes, we are definitely interested in you, were the ones who were saying कि उनसे basically academics के कुछ questions पूछे गए थे and हल्का फुल्का कुछ किया गया था. But most of the people are of the view कि सिर्फ और सिर्फ grilling questions पूछे जा रहे थे, उन्हें answers complete करने नहीं दिया जा रहा था. To a certain extent, even I know this, being an HR student, that yes, we do stress people out to see that how they would act in a certain point of time in future, but that really doesn't mean that your entire interview goes in that direction, which leaves a candidate fully dissatisfied and demotivated. Of course you should stress them out and grill them to a certain extent ताकि आपको भी पता चले कि वो stress management में कितना अच्छा है. But again, coming back to the same point, what's the point if you're not asking anyone about their profile, about what they achieved in their life, what failures did they have in their life, how this can resonate back to MBA or anything that sort of in future. So this video was just to tell you that, people, and in fact ask you people out. I would love to read in the comment section what you people went through if you have given this interview, or if someone you know has gone through this kind of an experience, because we need to bring it out, we need to voice it out, guys. Until and unless we do that, maybe people will not take it seriously. I am pretty sure they will not take it seriously, and this will keep on happening in all these sessions, and हमें सचमुच पता नहीं चलेगा कि हमारा एक साल कहाँ बर्बाद हो गया. So let's make it a serious concern and bring it up in public, guys. Thank you so much for watching this. Please do comment below and let me know अगर आपके पास कोई भी ऐसे experiences है regarding the interviews, so that everyone else is getting to know about it and at least gets a channel to engage on and know each other's point of views on it. Please do let me know in the comment section. Thank you.